everyone, welcome to the next session on Answers Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will analyze a 7-digit NACA aerofoil for its modal analysis. We will start by double-clicking on Modal module. We'll first go to Engineering Data and double-click. We'll go to Engineering Data Sources, General Materials. I will choose aluminum alloy as the material. Then I'll go to Project and update project. Next, I'll go to Geometry and right click. I will import the geometry which we have created in the previous class, which is the NACA 7478315 aerofoil. I'll go to Geometry and double click. So you can see here, this is the extruded form of the aerofoil. I will suppress the line body and the surface body. We only need the solid for its modal analysis. So I just opened the geometry to make any changes to it. Now I'll close it. I'll go to model and double click. I'll first go to geometry solid. Here I'll change the material to aluminum alloy. Next I'll go to mesh and I'll change the element size to 0.01 meter and generate. If you want, you can give a better meshing to it. So this is the mesh obtained. Next I'll go to model, right click and insert fixed support on one face, apply. Then I'll go to solution, right click and solve. Solution is obtained. You can see here there are 6 modes. The reason is when you go to analysis settings, you will see max modes to find are 6. You can either increase or decrease this number from here. I'll leave it to 6 itself. Then I'll go to the solution. Here I'll right click, select all, right click, create mode shape results. You can see here the results have been created. So I'll go to solution and solve once again. Now the solution is ready. So we will just analyze them. This is the first deformation for the first mode. We will change the contour to smooth contour and will remove the wireframe such that we are able to see the clear result on the aerofoil. You can see here the deformation is 1.7 meter and the frequency is 41.582 Hz. We can animate and check this result. Now the deformation is quite large for the small frequency. So you need to first of all avoid this frequency, and if you can't, then you need to make some changes to the aerofoil. Next we'll go for deformation 2. Again you can animate and check the result. This will show its mode of vibration. The deformation is 1.72 meters and the frequency is 248.45 Hz. You can see the difference between the first and the second mode. The difference of frequency is quite large. It is approximately of 200 Hz. Next we'll go for deformation 3. Again you can animate and see this mode of vibration. The deformation is 1.7 meter, again quite large for a frequency of 258.89 Hz. The difference between the frequency of the second and third one is quite less. But again for the third and the fourth one, the difference is quite large. So we'll go for the fourth one. The deformation has increased drastically. It is 3.17 meters for a frequency of 498.39 Hz. You can see its mode of vibration. Then we'll go for deformation 5. The value is 1.72 meters. Frequency is 718.09 Hz. Again, you can see the difference between the fourth and the fifth frequency is quite large. It is approximately 220 Hz. So this is quite a large difference. You can see its mode of vibration. We'll go for the sixth one. You can check the mode of vibration. The deformation is 1.735 meters and the frequency is 1388.5 Hz. Now, this is quite a large value. It is possible that you may not reach this frequency itself. So, this kind of deformation you may not achieve. But modal analysis basically tells you what are the various natural frequencies of the body, and they are of basic one or two values and then the higher order ones. But you need to avoid these frequencies being tapped so that you are avoiding resonance, which can happen and it can cause deformation and then a lot of destruction in the body. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the analysis. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.